Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your phone number on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click account like this, and here you will find phone. Click on it, and now as you see you can enter your phone number, and that's it. That's how to enter a phone number on your account on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.